Hello everyone, welcome back again. Today we are going to create 3D model for exercise number 6. First in here I will create new sketch. You can click here, create sketch and choose a front plane. We can create line. We'll create line start from the center point. To drag here we can set into 15. Move to the top, we can set into 40. You can click. The next click at this point and move to the top here. You can click OK. I will use this tool, sketch dimension, to set a distance between these points into here. We can set into 20, and also I will set length for this line objects into 5. The next we can use offset tools to offset this object, okay, into this direction -5, and we can use a line command to combine between these two objects, and also I will create line from this point to the top. The next, we can create line from this point into here. Okay, we create line again from this point. To drag here, I will set into 10. You can click. The next, click at this point. So we already create this simple 2D sketch, and you can click Finish Sketch. To convert this sketch into 3D models, we can use Revolve command. You can click here Revolve and select at this face. The next, for axis, we can select this line object. For angle, I will set into 30 degree, and we can set into symmetric. Okay, we can set ini so into 15 degree. The next, you can click OK. I will active for sketch 1. You can click in here to show drop down menu in sketch and active the sketch 1. In here, I will use a circular pattern, okay, to copy these bodies, and for axis we can select in here. Now for quantity we can set into 4. You can click OK. The next we can use a revolve again. I will select at this face, and for axis this line object. For angle set into 360 degree. In here we can set into one side. Joins for operation, and you can click OK. You can see. Now in here I will create a new plane at this point, so you can click on stroke, and I will use a plane at angle. Select at this line objects, and you can click OK. Now in here I will create sketch and select at this plane. We can create a circle. Okay, I will create circle start from this point. In here for diameter, we can set into 10. Press enter again and use this sketch dimension tools to set distance from this point into here. I will set into 2,5. You can press enter. We can create again circle start from this point with diameter 6. And now I will create a line from this point into here. You can click Finish Sketch. Now we can use extrusion tools. Click here, extrude, select at this face, and you can extrude to this direction. So it will be cutting. Click OK. We can active for sketch 2, and I will use extrude tools to extrude this surface. I will set direction into 2 sides. Okay, in here I will set to this point, and for the other side we can set into 3 mm. You can click again OK. Okay, we create these objects. The next we create again extrusion at this point. You can extrude into -3. In here I will set into new body, and you can click OK. Now we can select at this space. You can create new sketch. You can click here, create new sketch. In here we can create circle from the center point and move into here. Click Finish Sketch, and now we can use extrusion tools to extrude at this circle object to the top. And then you can click OK, so it will be cutting at this point. We can copy this object with a circular pattern. So you can click red, click pattern, and click circular pattern. Now for type, in here I will set into feature. Okay, you can select after this object. Okay, select again after this point. The next inside here. Okay, you can select this feature, and you can set for axis. You can click at this point. The next we can set for quantity into 6, and you can click OK. So it will be correct copy. You can see there are no cutting in this hole. So in here we can use pattern again, scroll patterns, and this feature for objects. You can select in the center here. And you can set into face. Okay, you can select up this face. The next we can click axis after this point, and you can change for quantity into 6, click OK. So now it will be cuttings, and then in here we can select again, we can active for sketch 3, and you can use extrude tool, select these circles and move to the top, and you can click OK. So it will be automatically cuttings, you can see. And we can unhide again, step 3, 2, and 1. Okay, we already created these simple 3D models for exercise number 6 with Fusion 360. If you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.